dear Riser, how are you today? This is Alon, and few days ago I went live in the group that I'm a moderator in one of Dan's group, and in the challenge there were a lot of golden nuggets that I want to share with you, especially if you feel stuck right now and you don't understand why you keep going and going and going and doing and grinding and you seems like nothing gets ahead. Especially in those moments, there is a simple shift that we can do in order to get it faster, quicker. So how can we do that? Keep on watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification. And I would love to hear your takeaways from that. So comment below and have an amazing and productive day. I will see you next time. And just let me know if you love this new shift that I did right now with the videos, or do you like the old format? We'll love to know. So comment below and I will see you in a sec. Keep on watching. Have a great and productive day. Hey, Associate family, how are you doing? How is the challenge going for you? We are at day 16. What day are you right now? And we'll love to hear what are your takeaways so far and what breakthroughs you have. So comment below, let me know. And don't forget, when you post, just hashtag TBL challenge and the day that you're in, that we can be there for you, support you, and get to the next level together. So day 16 talks about especially how can we soar higher? What is actually stopping us from reaching new heights? What is it? What is that thing that can actually cause us to stop and getting at the same place and feeling like we are not progressing? And basically that's when we focus on our weaknesses, when we focus on what we are not good at. Think about it this way: how can you actually go to the next level? How can you progress when you keep focusing, I'm not good at that, I'm not good at this, I'm not good at marketing, I'm not good at copywriting, I'm not good with that, blah, blah, blah. How can you soar with that? You can't. So how can you actually get to the next level with that? Because what happened in society is that we, since we are kids, we were taught to think and focus on our weaknesses. For example, at school, you went to school, your teacher told you, oh, you're not good at math? Guess what? Get good in math. You're not good in history. You know what? Guess what? Get good in history. You're not good at literature? Get good in literature. And so on and so forth. It doesn't matter what you're not good at. Since we are little, we were focused on our weaknesses. And what happening there? It caused us to not get to where we want to, because if you focus on your weaknesses and work on your weakness, it will take you 10, maybe 20 times more than someone that already has it. So instead of that, let's tweak that and use the power of your superpower. Your superpower is, what are your strengths? For example, you're good with talking people, do more lives, do more videos, do more content. You're good with connection, awesome, do that. You're good with building the tech, so you focus on building everything aside that. And besides, if that's not for you, go delegate it. Go delegate the other things that you're not good at. You're not good at copywriting, go delegate that. Learn that later on. But right now, focus on your strengths to get to the next level where you want to go faster and higher. Does that make any sense? If it does, comment below. I would love to hear if that makes sense to you, or if you watch the replay, hashtag replay, I know it makes sense to you. So, focus on your superpowers. So day 16 is the 3 superpowers you have right now. What are they? Comment below. Let's get to that. Let's get to tap into it. And you know, before I tapped into my strengths, I always looked at what I'm not good at. I don't have any skills, I'm not good at anything, I need more knowledge, all that bullshit. And that stopped me for years. And I don't want that to stop you as well. So let's focus right now. What are the 3 things you're good at? Even if you don't know, I will give you a hint. How can you find that? Go and ask someone else. Go and ask someone else. Go ask someone from your family. I see more people coming in. Hey, Tan, good to see you here. So go ask someone from your family. Go ask some of your friends. What do you think I'm good at? And when you ask them, you will get that mirror. You will get that reflection. And don't resist it. Really listen. Because when first time that I asked my friends, my family, okay, what I'm good at, because I didn't see it myself, they told me, hi, you're good with talking with people. And I said, what good is that shit? Instead of actually focusing, and what happened, I was trying to focus on the tech, on the things that I'm not good at. I'm not good at tech. If I need something techy, I will send it to someone. I prefer not to deal with that shit because I'm not good with that. And instead of taking the time to work on that, I'm working on what I'm good at, getting that much more faster, much more higher, instead of taking, let's say, something that will take someone else an hour will take me 10 hours. Why you spend that time? If you can spend the time, actually not spend, invest your time in your strengths. Does that make any sense? I would love to hear about it. Comment below. And again, what are your 3 strengths? You don't know? Go ask someone. It will give you the mirroring that you need right now. So comment below. That's the challenge, the 3 strengths. And I want to give you even more challenge. What is the action that you're going to take in order to strengthen that power? If it's connecting with people, go talk with someone. Go connecting with more people. If it's talking, go do a live. Go do a video. Do something that will take you to the next level right now in order to go to the next level with your strengths. I would love to hear about it. Comment below. Let's get to the next level and let's rise up. So that was day 16. I will see you tomorrow. Have an amazing and productive day, and I really appreciate you guys for being here. Invest your time with me today. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great one.